Hello, this is Saheli, and I've been making money as a freelancer working from home for the last 8 years. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what are the easiest work from home jobs that you can consider to get started with in the next 30 days. If you're doing these as a side hustle, you can expect to make 25 to 50,000 a month on an average within the next 2-3 months. However, if you're taking these up full time, you can even have the earning potential of up to 1 to 2 lakhs. And if you're converting into an agency in the future, you can even make 5 to 10 lakhs a month, but then your costs will rise. So with that in mind, these are all very scalable businesses, service-based businesses, and have no startup cost. So let's get started. Number one is, of course, freelance writing. If you can write, if you have a way with words, and even if you don't these days, if you know how to use AI tools well and you have brain and common sense, you can actually make a great career out of writing. The most common careers these days people are using to make money are content writing, copywriting, caption writing, ghostwriting. Ghostwriting is a big trend these days because more and more people are coming on to LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram as a platform, and they are trying to make their voice stand out. Let's say you have interest in a certain niche, let's say it's fitness, and you write well, you can pitch to a lot of businesses in the fitness niche to write for them to make their voices heard and to build their communities with your written content. Now, what a lot of freelancers these days do not understand is that today it's not enough to pitch that I'm going to write for you. You have to convert it into a tangible value. What is that writing going to do for them? Is it going to get them more clients? Is it going to get them investor money? Is it going to grow their community and thus result in more money for them in the future? No business is going to invest in you if you cannot show that your work has tangible value that converts for the business. Okay. And if you are good at what you do and the business owner that you're pitching to is also good at what they do, there's no way that you'll not make money in synergy. So don't feel underconfident that you're not going to get people results. I know that I'm really good at writing. So if you give me any health coach, I can build them a very strong personal brand that will make them more money. I'm also good at business strategy. So I can actually help them monetize their platforms in multiple ways that they couldn't have even probably thought about if they were on their own. I know my skills. I hope that you know yours as well. So do not undersell yourself when you're pitching to clients. But writing is one of the best ways to make sure that you're making money from home, no matter what time you want to work at, and you don't have to have any fixed schedule. Okay. The second work from home opportunity is that of a virtual assistant. Here you'll have to upskill a little bit, but there's a lot of businesses rising these days. And I know so many business owners who want their emails done, they want their social media done, they want their website done, and they do not really have the budget to hire multiple people for all these roles because it's going to get really, really costly. As a virtual assistant, you can help them do multiple tasks and save them costs. At the same time, I think becoming a virtual assistant automatically means that you'll upskill very fast because there's so many things a virtual assistant does because they're literally the right hand of a business owner, and businesses need so many things. It's a little task intensive, but this is one of the easiest ways to grow your skill set. And in today's AI age, if you don't grow your skill sets fast, you're going to be replaced very, very quickly. So this is definitely worth consideration for you. Third, learning content manager. So many brands and businesses are designing webinars and masterclass to sell to their audience. And it's not just limited to coaches and consultants, even businesses which are selling products, hair care products, skincare products, or products about studying abroad. They host free sessions and masterclasses to educate their audience and then use that for conversion. So if you can create learning content in a way that maximizes returns for these clients, they will be happy to pay you more. When we design content for a client, we charge about 1 lakh for a presentation that we do for them. Now, it might sound really high to some of you, but this is the kind of market rates you can expect if your content design is good and you're delivering content that helps them make more money. On an average, any presentation that we make for our clients can be used again and again across thousands of attendees and easily converts at a rate of 10 to 15% for them, which means that our presentations being good makes them a lot of money. So this is an industry that you can tap into. Again, go to an industry where you already have the basic knowledges in place because that will make your work 10 times easier. I would not work for an industry, let's say in data science, because I don't have any experience in data, but I will 100% work for a niche in finance, wealth, or business making or entrepreneurship, because that is where my expertise lies. So yeah, that is my pro tip for you in case this is the industry you're choosing. Number 4, video editing. Oh my God, the number of video editing cohorts that are growing these days, and they charge somewhere like 50,000 to 1 lakh for teaching you how to edit videos, but you can learn video editing on your own using a lot of free resources services online, so you don't necessarily need to pay. What's happening is that more people than ever are becoming content creators, and Instagram is definitely one of the platforms where they are monetizing. So they need good editors to make their videos watchable and retain their audience longer. So if you're able to offer this as a service, you're going to be able to make a good amount of money. The average rate a short form video editor charges per video is 1,000 to 2,000 rupees if they're really good at editing, and they edit about 15 to 20 videos per month for most clients on an average. So that's the kind of rates you can be looking at from a single client. If you are offering this service to multiple clients, it'll probably take you 5 to 6 hours a day, but you'll be making well above a lakh or more. Also, you can consider long form videos and podcast video editing specifically as well, in case that's what interests you. And at the end of the day, it's all about how to package your services. I have taken quite a few guest sessions within video editing cohorts, and I have seen that a lot of video editors don't know how to package their services. So in case you're already a video editor and this interests you, be sure to check out my content on my Instagram on how to convert clients and how to price your packages. Now, without any further ado, let's go into the next work from home opportunity that you can check. On number 5, we have online coaching and consulting. Are you really good at health, wealth, or relationships? There are so many coaches and consultants monetizing the knowledge in their brain by offering it as services. They charge hourly and they make really good money serving these offers. Average pricing for most consultants in India at the beginner level is 2 to 3,000 per hour, but if you're an expert at what you do, you can even charge 5 to 10,000 per hour. There are some Facebook ad strategists and online marketers that I know that even charge up to 50,000 per hour to speak with them, and this industry is crazy. Be sure you're going into the wealth industry if you want to make the best amount of money. However, health and relationships are also on the rise these days in India, and I think that's for the good. The sixth opportunity a lot of people are not talking about these days are UGC content. UGC is basically user generated content, and while it's taking up in India, it's still a very new market. This is where you make content for brands and they use it for their ads, content, and other usage rights. Now, why are brands paying for UGC content? Because it's very costly to do their content in-house, because they need camera, setup, actors, models, and not every brand can afford it. Also, UGC content looks much more natural, so ads with UGC content convert better. If you are passionate about products, this is an industry that you can look at. I'll link some UGC accounts in the captions below, because it's not an industry that I have actively worked in. However, I have plenty of students who are getting into this industry and they report amazing results. So do check it out. The last work from home opportunity is for those who, when they get an email, they actually respond to it. And exactly, that's what I'm talking about, an email marketer. If you like writing emails, if you understand the value of emails for businesses, be it for conversion, opportunities, pitching, you can go into the email marketing industry. Now, there's a lot of ways to enter email marketing as an industry. You can do email marketing for e-commerce brands, where you make sequences for various purposes. It can be an abandoned cart sequence, it can be a thank you sequence, it can be an onboarding sequence. There's so many sequences every business will need depending on the actions of the customer, and they need experts to write those emails in a way that those emails convert really high. I have taken a masterclass on writing very high converting emails, by the way, so in case you want to upskill, I'll link it in the description below. Secondly, another way you can approach this industry is by writing newsletters. This is a specific type of an email where there's a lot of value, content, and in the end, there's usually a pitch for an upsell for the client. Again, these are usually 500 to 1,000 words long. Creators do not have the time to write such long form emails, so they hire newsletter experts to write these emails for them. And the last type of email that I feel gets people highly paid is sales emails. Emails that are specifically designed for a sequence that gets sales. Okay, so do you remember the time that you signed up for a freebie and within a couple of days you would probably get a mail asking you to check out their paid offers? That is the kind of sequence I'm talking about, and it gets you paid really well. These are some of the work from home opportunities that you can have a look at. I have tried out 6 out of 7 of these, and I can assure you that these are great industries to get into. However, in case you want to maximize your earning potential, what you need to be focusing on is not the clients, but your skills first. And once you know you're really good at what you do, almost any sort of client would want to work with you. I hope that this helps, and I'll see you with another video next week. This is Sahili signing off, and I hope that this video helped you in becoming a high income freelancer.